Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to combine audio tracks to overlap and play simultaneously in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you're looking at the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your audio projects. After clicking File, hover your mouse over the Import option. This will expand another submenu that gives you different import choices. From this submenu, select Audio. This option is essential because it allows you to bring multiple audio files into your Audacity workspace, which is exactly what you need to combine and overlap tracks. A file browser window will now appear on your screen. Here's where you can select multiple audio files at once. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each audio file you want to combine. This keyboard shortcut lets you select multiple files simultaneously without having to import them one by one, which saves you a lot of time. Once you've selected all the audio files you need, click the Open button at the bottom right of the file browser window. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Audacity loads and processes your audio files. Depending on the size and number of files you've imported, this might take a moment. You'll see the waveforms appear in the Audacity timeline as each file loads. Once the loading is complete, you'll notice that all your audio files are already in the same Audacity project, which is exactly what you need to work with them together. At this point, the tracks are stacked vertically, but they'll play one after another by default. To make them play simultaneously and overlap, you need to adjust their positions on the timeline. Hover your mouse over the bottom waveform in your project. As you do this, pay attention to how the cursor changes. You'll notice the cursor transforms to indicate you're now in time shift mode, which means you're ready to move the clip along the timeline and position it exactly where you want it. Keep holding down the mouse button as you prepare to drag the clip. For example, you might want to drag it to the right to create an overlap effect, or move it to align perfectly with another track. This time shift tool gives you complete control over when each audio track starts playing, allowing you to create the exact overlap and timing you're looking for. And that's it, you've successfully combined and positioned your audio tracks to play simultaneously in Audacity. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.